Hey friends, if you used to use Paint to edit pictures in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the picture, select open with Paint. Okay, now how can you edit pictures with it? So it has a lot of tools. First of all, we will make it smaller so that we can see it in the exact size that we want. And then we can use the selection tool to select a certain part of it, the crop tool to crop it, and this tool to remove the background which has been removed, this one to rotate the picture, okay, this one to flip it, okay, and then you can use this to resize the picture like I want it in 1080 pixels, okay, although I'll increase the size a little. And then we have these tools to use as a pencil or an eraser or add text here. And then we can also change the brushes, the size of the brushes, and we can create shapes using this tool. We can change the color using this tool. This tool is used for shape outline, okay, and this tool is used for shape fill. Let me show you, okay, and obviously you can also use Copilot along with it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.